So a lot of people think that time management is basically managing a lot of things together, which is exactly what you're not supposed to do. Guys, welcome to another video. Sorry, Monday productivity related video थोड़ा सा late हो गया है, Wednesday, Thursday के आसपास आएगा ये video. Also, I'm reading this amazing book. This is a pretty thin book, बहुत पतली सी book है, and it's called the Decision Book. It has around 50 models for strategic thinking. But don't worry, this book is divided into 4 parts, which is how to understand myself, how to improve myself, how to improve others, how to understand others better. और उस पर इन्होंने बहुत सारे मॉडल्स दिए हैं. If you can see, like, एक image add कर दूँगा मैं यहाँ पे. All these videos would be around 3 to 5 minutes, so that it won't take a lot of your time and you'll पक्का से learn something new. Be it you, even if you are a student or a working professional or a college student, this book is very helpful for each one of you. So yeah, please watch the whole video for a much better understanding. The first part is how to work more efficiently. It's a way to manage your time pretty well. So before talking about the idea that this book gives, I'll talk about the misconception that a lot of people have with time management. So a lot of people think that time management is basically managing a lot of things together, which is exactly what you're not supposed to do. This is not what actually time management means, right? Time management basically means that if you have 10 tasks with different deadlines, you should be able to give your 100% or at least your 90 to 80% in each of those tasks before the given deadline, so that तुम सब कुछ कर पाओ in a fixed amount of time. अगर तुम बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ करोगे तो तुम कुछ भी चीज़ अच्छे से नहीं कर पाओगे. This is because like our mind should get into the zone of deep work, and you should give at least a fixed amount of time to that task and just finish that off. You will feel a sense of achievement, and तुम्हारा काम भी जल्दी और अच्छे से होगा. तो ठीक है, this is a misconception. Now I'll quickly talk about the idea that the book gives. The ways in which I used to manage time till now was, सुबह उठ के I used to make a small to-do list. This is basically a notebook in which I kind of write my daily tasks, like कि if you can see कि हाँ ये सब करके I used to just strike them off, and I used to say कि हाँ ठीक है ये हो गया. And yeah, that was my time management thingy for a day. First of all, noting your task for the day is pretty important, and at least if not for a day, for a week, or basically for a fixed timeline, it's pretty important. And after you are done with planning your tasks and making your tasks, this book actually helps you to work more effectively and plan more effectively with the help of the Eisenhower matrix. Now, what is Eisenhower matrix? Yeah, I'll talk about that. So this method was basically named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, not this. But yeah, he was a US president, and he was considered like a legend for like time management and stuff. The Eisenhower method actually helps you to understand the tasks which are important and the tasks which are urgent, and these things in a graph in which the x-axis consists of things which are urgent and the y-axis consists of things which are important. This is the template. This is the Eisenhower matrix, and yeah, these are the 4 parts. It will help you to work even more efficiently and do tasks fast, so that because I know कि क्या करना है. And these, so first of all, you need to classify your task कि इसमें क्या क्या है, and based on that you need to do the thing which is there. Like if you have a task which is important but not urgent, you need to plan कि ठीक है कब करूँगा, so that it comes under this important and urgent wala part. And I'll talk about the tasks that I had for today, and then how I implemented in the later example. So these are the tasks that I had for the day: record video, edit video, and upload. MUP3 Design Lab tests. Like these are my courses. तो मेरा academic का थोड़ा काम था. And these are the things which are. So this test is day after tomorrow. इसका test is around 24th. This test is around 23rd. On 23rd. So yeah, I have time for these, and I'll quickly show how I implemented all these things using the matrix. These are the ways in which I have segregated my tasks, and I realized कि मेरा एक POE quiz आ रहा है जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट एंड अर्जेंट है, तो ये मिस आउट हो जाता अगर नहीं पता होता मुझे. एंड ऑल्सो एक और दिस पार्ट फर्स्टली अर्जेंट बट नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. दीज आर द कॉलम्स की जिसमें कुछ काम आ गया सडनली, तुम्हें याद है कि हाँ ये करना है बट उतना इम्पोर्टेंट. जैसे अभी मम्मी ने बोला कि बर्तन तुम साफ करोगे आज, आई थिंक आई हैव टू डेलीगेट इट टू माय सिस्टर. तो हाँ, क्लीनिंग डिशेस वाला काम चलो देख टाइम मिला तो कर लूँगा जल्दी से ही. And I can't figure out anything which is not important and not urgent. I think if it's like this category mein, to either wait it for either going into important but not urgent or urgent but not important. इस category में अगर कुछ है तो basically it doesn't make sense, because फिर वो तुम do it later वाला part, so it doesn't actually. ठीक है, note करके रखो कहीं पे, हाँ ठीक है ये काम करना है मुझे.
तो ठीक है, दिस इज द वे इन विच आई इम्प्लीमेंटेड इट. फर्स्ट आई ट्राई टू फिगर आउट दिस. अभी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है वीडियो, MVP के 3 डिसाइड लैब्स. इसके बाद देखूंगा मैं जस्ट जैसे अपलोड होगा वीडियो. वरना ठीक है एडिट, चलो मैं सोच रहा हूँ आज कर लूँ एडिट और अपलोड, तक टाइम लगेगा. एंड POE को इसके बारे में पढ़ूंगा, उसके बाद आई कम टू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो
guys, if you like this video, then like this video. अगर तुमने कुछ सीखा तो yeah, share it with your friends so that everyone kind of benefits with this. And yeah, also you guys give me a lot of ideas about college life and stuff related videos और कुछ side वाले. But if you want to kind of talk something about life या तुम्हें कुछ ऐसा कुछ philosophy या उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करनी है तो yeah, even about productivity and stuff. So yeah, feel free to suggest me topics in the comments below and I'll make a video on that or I'll share my thoughts, what I feel about that being a 19-year-old. So yeah. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.